Create free AI videos with just these three platforms. Yes, you can create free AI videos with these three AI platforms. Absolutely free. Before we dive into today's topic, let's run an introduction. Thank you for subscribing and tuning in to Matthew Charles Studios. I'm your favorite host, Matthew Charles, popularly known as Creative Math, and I'll be gifting you free ways to make AI videos with just these three platforms. Yes, let's dive into it. First off, we'll talk about the number one way a lot of people are underrating CapCut. Yes, you can now make AI videos with CapCut, but a lot of people see it and be like, oh, CapCut is not for real editors. We use Premiere Pro, we use DaVinci Resolve, we use a couple of other things. But when you're on CapCut Pro, this is what a lot of people would also not tell you. A lot of creatives using CapCut won't tell you is when you're on the paid version of CapCut Pro, you can now use CapCut on Seedance 2.5, which is now available in CapCut, and you can edit you can get AI videos as long as 30 seconds, and you can do a couple of other things. There are other plugins you can use. You can decide to use Seedance 2.0, but Seedance 2.5 is actually one of the best formats right now on CapCut if you're doing your AI videos. Number two, we have Gemini. That is Dream INA. We have Gemini. You can also use Gemini, which also supports Seedance 2.5 and also supports GPT Image too. And the last one is OpenArt AI. In OpenArt AI, you can also make use of all these other AI forms and platforms and formats. But bear in mind, when you want to start making long videos, you have to pay. On OpenArt AI, I think they will give you about 20 coins to start. It's a diamond free when you sign up. On CapCut, you don't get any free coins. The only time you get points in CapCut is when you actually carry out daily tasks. That's if you are unpaid, you get free points on signing up to the web, CapCut, and a couple of other things. And on Gemini, they didn't give me any coins when I signed up, so I don't know about you, but I know Gemini, the only way you can get access to 2.5 is if you are on the paid version. A lot of people just tell you you can make free videos on AI, but it's not actually free. You can make videos that makes money for you, and it's sort of free because you're not like creating it from scratch, but you have to pay for the coins to generate the videos.
I will delete and block you. I don't care. The relationship.
All right, two more free platforms for people that stayed up till this time. For staying up to this time, we have Leonardo AI. For a couple of people don't know about Leonardo AI, it's actually good, but they give about 150 coins daily. You just have to keep coming daily, and it might not be perfect, but it's actually good. Then we also have Google Gemini. For a lot of people that use Google Gemini, you know about in and out of Gemini. It's also not free, but for people that actually want to try it out, you can try the basic one. I'll be dropping a couple of this on the screen so you can go through it. And now I'll be giving you a free tip on how to create your videos on any of these three AI platforms you decide to choose. The first step is you have to choose your visual style. So let's say I'll be giving 6 to 7 free tips. Let's start with number one. You have to choose your visual style. For me, I actually trying to build, let's say, a 3D animated character, a cartoon or something like that for kids. Maybe I want to do the popular kids video. Then I'll choose my animator. You need to know the style you want to use, you understand? Then secondly, you have to create your character sheet. This is whereby you import a couple of pictures or go and generate the kind of images you want for your characters. If you want a Superman, if you want a cartoon, if you want a toy, if you want whatever you want, you have to go and generate it, then bring it back to your AI platform of your choice. The next one is you have to create the character location sheet. So when you create the location sheet is like you are creating a cinematic location where your character would be in. After you've created your character, you now have to create the location sheet where your character would be. If you want your character to be in a room, or you want it seated on a table like me with a laptop, TV, or whatever you want to do, a character playing ball, you have to create the location sheet. And once you've done the location sheet, this is where comes your own story. You have to create a story from the top of your head, or you have to have a story built down. You write a story, you build a story for your character, so your character is not just sitting like me on this chair and I'm not moving. You get it. Then you have to generate the storyboard. The storyboard has to consist of the activities and actions you want it to be. Like I said, you have to create a story. The story is maybe you want to talk about a podcast show. That is not a storyboard. The storyboard is now defining the podcast show. That is how I put it. Then the next step is turning your image and your characters and location sheet into the video. This is where you now have to start paying. They're not going to tell you. This is where you actually have to start paying for a couple of this. And with that said, you now have to start building your prompts. That will be the sixth step. To get the next step, please subscribe, like, comment. You can type prompts in the comment section if you want me to drop this prompts. If you want me to show you how to make any of this, DM me or mail me in this mail that's showing on the screen. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Till next time, catch you in the next episode. With love, MCS. Peace.